and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to work a double crochet. So I'm working right now with an H5mm hook and some cotton yarn. First thing you're going to do is yarn over. You're going to look for your next stitch, insert the hook, yarn over, just grabbing that yarn, pulling up a loop, and you should have 3 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. You have 2 loops left. Yarn over and pull through those 2 loops, and then you've done a double crochet. So let's do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up that loop through that stitch. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. You have 2 left. Yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. Just continue doing that slowly. Yarn over, insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull up that loop through that stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. You have 2 left. Yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. Now I'll continue some more and I won't talk. I hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.